Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
A coalition of youth leaders in the Niger Delta has passed a vote of confidence in the interim administrator of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Akwa Efiong, for what it attributes to his drive for rapid development of Nigeria's oil-rich region. At a brief meeting recently in Port Harcourt, the Niger Delta youth leaders called on President Muhammadu Buhari to inaugurate a new NDDC board, but appealed to Mr. President to include Dr. Akwa in the incoming board to bring his wealth of experience to bear in managing affairs of the new NDDC.
At a recent meeting in Port Harcourt, members of the coalition of Niger Delta youth leaders had cause to appraise the current state of affairs in the NDDC and the Niger Delta region and arrived at the conclusion that the commission had fared better under the President Muhammadu Buhari administration. Spokesperson of the youth body, Comrade Nwokocha Anayochukwu, recalled that while the NDDC forensic audit was ongoing, President Buhari had directed the intervention agency to resuscitate and complete critical projects that had been abandoned for many years, a task which he said the commission under the leadership of its interim administrator, Dr. Efiong Akwa, had carried out diligently.
The following achievements and more have been carried out by the interim administrator, CEO, since he assumed duty, namely, the completion and commissioning of Niger Delta Development Commission headquarters that was abandoned 20 years ago. Secondly, completion and commissioning of ultra-modern hostel block at the University of Uyo. Completion and commissioning of 3-kilometer road of Chief Ambakaderemo Road at Kiabodo, Burutu Local Government, Delta State. Completion and commissioning of SPU quarters of the Nigerian Police in Omagwa, Rivers State. If this type of commitment has been exhibited by former leadership of the Commission, the story of the NDDC would have been different.
Dr. Efiong Akwa, a chartered accountant and lawyer, was in December 2020 appointed interim administrator of the NDDC to supervise the forensic audits of the Commission and implement policies to aid development in the region. In addition to the completion of long-abandoned projects in the region, the NDDC, under the leadership of Akwa, graduated some 200 ICT trainees and donated science equipment to 46 schools across the Niger Delta in May last year. President of the Coalition of Niger Delta Youth Leaders, Anthony Josiah, popularly known as General Ocean, and Innocent Orama, urged President Buhari to appoint a new NDDC board while pleading that Dr. Akwa should be part of the incoming board based on his experience and achievements in the last 18 months.
We need the board of NDDC. We beg for President Muhammadu Buhari, our father, let him bring the board and include our son, the IA, Dr. Akwa Efiong Okon, because I believe with what he has done in Niger Delta, we believe he will be in a good position to handle anything in NDDC for us.
The administrator has done what he's supposed to do and he's doing well. So if they want to include him in the new board, personally, I will admit that. That's the standard it is for him. So I give him a kudos to that effect.
President Buhari in October 2019 ordered a forensic audit of NDDC activities covering a period of 18 years, dating back to its inception in 2001. With the successful completion of the forensic audits, recommendations in its final report are expected to serve as governance templates for the incoming board. To further strengthen the capacity of the anticipated board, the coalition of Niger Delta youth leaders wants President Buhari to create ample room for professionals.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,